Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Mayor of Port Maria Fitzroy Wilson says plans are in place to make the town more accessible to persons with disabilities, especially the visually impaired. Mr. Wilson was speaking at Thursday's sitting of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation. The mayor acknowledged that many of the sidewalks in the parish capital do not provide access for persons with disabilities. He says something must be done.
We want to lead by example, and especially this area from the council gate out to Cott Street. We're in short order. We expect all those breaking in the sidewalks. We expect to repair them and put ramps so that wheelchair access and will be allowed for to come here. Also in the town, we're looking at similar thing for the sidewalks in the capital, that the sidewalks will be so upgraded to allow for the people with disability to traverse the town.